Welcome to my first video on how to build a modern 1970s style floating night table. I used a material Popular, which is easy to work with, and I used a piece of 1x8 and a piece of 1x10, dressed 4 sides, and a small piece of walnut. Next you will see the drawings I made on Sketchup, and it starts off with the top and the bottom. Cut those 2 sides. Then I proceed with cutting the angles, and then I move on to cutting the reveals on these the bottom and the top to let the sides in. I use a table saw, and on the table saw I place a piece of tape to indicate where the table saw starts. I complete it with a wood chisel to finish the ends. Then I move on to the pillar, which is tricky. It's angled in 2 directions, and I use a piece of scrap wood to practice. Next is the box, which I put together, the sides, the 2 sides, and the top and the bottom. I nail and glue those together, and then I install the pillar, which I attach with a finishing nail from the bottom and a screw from the top. And then I completed the top where the screw is with a small piece of walnut. I reveal it further to let that little piece of square walnut in. Once I'm done with that, I varnish it with a clear varnish. And the reason a clear water-based varnish will keep the grain from discoloring.